Let's see how to insert an email symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to insert the symbol of a letter to signify that it is an email. So we can do that by inserting an email symbol. Now click on the Insert tab, click on Symbol. Now click on More Symbols, and this should open up a new window where you can select your email symbol. So for the font, make sure that you change it to Wingdings and click on this one right here to signify and insert your mail or email symbol. And as you can see, we now have an email symbol in our document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.